Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about an experiment I started 2 years ago when I bought this big bag of very small lava rocks. And this Stromanti Sanguinea was the guinea pig for which I used 100% lava rock as a substrate to grow in. Now you might say that this plant looks still quite small after 2 years, but let me show you a picture of it from 2 years ago. And you can see that the plant has grown quite a lot. In fact, it even tripled, as you can see, because it put out 2 brand new plants right out of the substrate. So I would say that this plant is quite happy growing in lava rock. Now let me show you some more houseplants that I also put in lava rock. Here you have a Monstera Arunsoniae, and it's also quite happy in this substrate. It's even starting to trail down. And by the way, for this experiment I only used containers without a drainage hole. Next up is yet another type of plant. This is an Alocasia Yucatan princess, and this royalty is slow growing but also quite pleased growing in this lava rock. Although I probably should give it a stick for support. Another type of houseplant doing quite well with lava rock is this Aglaonema pink-green dot. The only thing is that baby Aglaonemas just take ages before they start growing and maturing. At least that's my experience. So I actually stopped buying them as baby plants, and now I just buy them as adult plants. So let's see now whether Peperomias are also lava rock lovers. This is a Peperomia Scandans Varigata, and yes, it does grow well indeed. And once again, by the way, I should give this plant a longer stick so it can climb up the way Mother Nature intended it to grow. And to be honest, this plant did lose most of its bottom leaves, so at the moment it is quite top heavy. Perhaps I should propagate it to resolve this problem. Now let me show you one more plant, the last one. This is a Pothos Mandula. In my experience quite a slow grower, but it also doesn't seem to mind to grow in something that's produced by an erupting volcano. Now the only tricky thing is that since there is no drainage hole, you have to be really careful not to overwater these plants. But apart from that, I'd say that my experiment went quite well, and all the plants that I put in lava rock are doing quite well. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I wish you a very nice day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.